Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to delve into the word ʻhæŋkər. It's a term that describes a strong desire or longing for something. Let's get started. Meaning. ʻhæŋkər is a verb that means to have a strong, often persistent, desire or longing for something. It can be used to describe a yearning or craving for an object, experience, or situation. Pronunciation. Pronounce ʻhæŋkər as ʻhæŋkər, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hang. Use in a sentence. 1. She hankered for the taste of her grandmother's homemade apple pie. 2. After a week of hard work, they hankered for a relaxing day at the beach. Synonyms. Synonyms for ʻhæŋkər include crave, desire, long for, yearn for, or covet. Conclusion. ʻhæŋkər is a word that encapsulates the intense desire or yearning for something that holds great importance to an individual. It reflects the human capacity for longing and the pursuit of fulfillment. Thanks for joining us, and may your aspirations be met and your hankering satisfied.